Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is August 7th, 2025, and we're diving into Airbnb's latest earnings report for Q2 2025. Joining us is John, a senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. It's a pleasure to discuss Airbnb's performance, especially given the strong results they've posted this quarter.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Airbnb reported a revenue of $3.1 billion for Q2 2025, marking a 13% increase year over year. John, what are the key drivers behind this growth?
Airbnb's revenue growth is primarily driven by a solid increase in nights stayed and a slight uptick in the average daily rate, ADR. The timing of Easter also played a role in boosting revenue. Additionally, their net income rose to $642 million, a 16% increase from the previous year, with a net income margin of 21%.
And how about their profitability metrics?
Airbnb's adjusted EBIT reached $1.0 billion, up 17% from last year, with a margin of 34%. This improvement is largely due to higher revenue and effective cost management.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Analysts had forecasted a 93s for Airbnb based on a survey of 12 analysts. How did the actual results compare?
Airbnb exceeded expectations with an actual EPS of 13 cents, beating the forecast by 10 cents. This beat is a testament to their strong operational performance and effective cost management strategies.
What does this EPS beat indicate for investors?
It signals Airbnb's ability to outperform market expectations, which is a positive indicator for investors looking for growth and profitability in their portfolio.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Airbnb's operational efficiencies seem to be paying off. Can you elaborate on their cash flow and strategic initiatives?
Absolutely. Airbnb generated $1 billion in free cash flow this quarter, with a trailing 12-month free cash flow of $4.3 billion. They've also repurchased $1 billion of their Class A common stock, which helps manage share dilution. On the strategic front, Airbnb has launched new offerings like Airbnb Services and Experiences, which are expected to drive long-term growth.
How do these initiatives position Airbnb for the future?
These initiatives not only diversify Airbnb's revenue streams, but also enhance their market presence. The expansion into services and experiences is particularly promising as it taps into new customer segments and increases brand loyalty.
Geographic and market expansion. Airbnb's geographic expansion seems to be a significant growth driver. Can you tell us more about their performance across different regions?
Airbnb's nights and seats booked reached 134.4 million, with a gross booking value of $23.5 billion. Their expansion markets are growing at twice the rate of their core markets, which is impressive. They've also formed new partnerships with major events like FIFA and the Tour de France, which enhance their global brand presence and drive supply growth in key cities.
What does this mean for Airbnb's competitive positioning?
These strategic moves strengthen Airbnb's competitive edge by increasing brand awareness and expanding their market reach. It positions them well to capture more market share in the travel and hospitality industry.
Key takeaways. In summary, Airbnb has delivered a strong performance in Q2 2025 with impressive revenue growth, profitability, and strategic initiatives. John, any final thoughts on Airbnb's investment prospects?
Airbnb's ability to exceed EPS expectations and their strategic focus on new offerings and market expansion make them an attractive investment. Their strong cash flow and share repurchase program further enhance shareholder value.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Airbnb's performance in the comments below.